Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making brown rice buttered noodles. You typically use egg noodles for it, but this time we're gonna use brown rice noodles. It's just as delicious as the normal one. So, let's start. Here we have all the ingredients. Brown rice noodles, Parmesan cheese, salted butter and black pepper. In a pan, add salt to boiling water. Put in the brown rice noodles and cook them to al dente. This means they aren't mushy and are still slightly firm. Drain the water and add the salted butter. Mix everything up until the butter is melted and everything is nicely incorporated. Grate over some freshly ground black pepper. And lastly, add your Parmesan cheese. Grab a very deep bowl so you can eat more and put the buttered noodles in it. You can sprinkle over some extra salt, black pepper and Parmesan cheese if you like. And enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and how yours turned out. And hit the bell, hit the like button, and I see you in the next one.